Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Free Hits by Vali Sports. And oh my god, what a cracker of a match we saw here today in Karachi National Bank Stadium. It was a much needed cracker and thriller of a match. It was something that I guess people did not expect, but Karachi Kings absolutely phenomenal with that chase. It was, I think Multan Sultans did an absolutely amazing, a really great job on putting up 234 on that scoreboard on a ground, in a ground like Karachi. But जिस तरह कराची किंग्स ने वापस आके रिस्पॉन्ड किया था विद द बैट, आई थिंक कोई भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था. हमें पता है कि कराची पिछले कुछ एडिशंस से दे वर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म वेल, लेकिन अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि स्क्रीन पे मैच समरी चल रही है. मुल्तान सुल्तान्स आए, उन्होंने सबसे पहले बैटिंग की. हमें पता है कराची किंग्स टॉस जीता एंड डेविड वार्नर चोज टू फील्ड. और रिजवान केम आउट, आई थिंक मुल्तान सुल्तान्स डिड अ प्रीटी गुड जॉब. सबसे पहले रिजवान ने अपनी जो हाफ सेंचुरी की थी, that was in 38 balls, but then all of a sudden he went out blasting and he scored 105 runs off of just 63 deliveries. फिर उनकी और ब्रेसवेल की जो पार्टनरशिप थी was very strong and I think स्कोरबोर्ड पे उन्होंने बहुत ही सॉलिड रन्स उन्होंने स्कोरबोर्ड पे कायम किए थे. लेकिन फिर जब कराची किंग्स वापस आया चेस करने के लिए, तो आई थिंक they did what nobody was expecting. They lost a few wickets earlier on, लेकिन उसके बाद James Vince, absolutely brilliant performance. उन्होंने 101 runs बनाए off of just 43 deliveries. And फिर खुशदिल शाह उनकी जो partnership थी, that really set the tone for Karachi Kings. And this was the second fastest chase in Karachi Stadium in the PSL. Absolutely brilliant stuff. And finally, हम सबको वो thriller of a match मिल गया है इस PSL 10th edition में, और इस सब के बारे में डिटेल में हम बात करेंगे with Fareed, who is present here with us. हमारी cricket analyst हैं. Assalamu alaikum Fareed and welcome to the show.
Walaikum assalam, thank you.
And we have our two very cool influencers, जो एक couple हैं basically, which is very cool to have on the show. We've got Hassan and Rija here with us. Thank you and welcome and thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, सबसे पहले फरीद हम आपसे बात करते हैं कि जैसे मैंने कहा, एक्सपेक्ट तो हम नहीं कर रहे थे, क्योंकि कराची की जो परफॉर्मेंस पिछली एडिशंस में रही है पीएसएल में, वो हमने देखा था कि बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं है. वो बार बार प्लेऑफ्स में आउट हो रहे थे. तो आप किस तरह आप शॉक हुए थे कि कराची ने आके डिलीवर किया? आपको क्या लगता है कि डेविड वार्नर की जो कैप्टनसी थी वो बहुत कमाल की थी? जस्ट गिव अस अ बिट ऑफ अ ब्रीफ ऑन द मैच.
I think a fantastic match to start off with, and as they say, this is what we pay our bills for. इसलिए आते हैं देखने, and it is not over until it's over.
Yeah.
So I think we were not expecting, definitely जो आपने बात की, because this is the highest chase in Karachi and the third highest overall in PSL history. So take a bow, as they say, and James Vince, where Rizwan scored 100 of about 63 deliveries. James Vince came up with
battle of the batters, आप कह सकते हैं. He's like, if you can make
made the difference.
If you can make a century, तो he's like, I can make a better century than you in less balls. अच्छा, and अगर थोड़ी सी बात करें तो do you think, this might be a bit far-fetched, लेकिन obviously a lot of जो players मुल्तान में थे वो अब कराची में आए हैं. फिर management भी हमें पता है मुल्तान की थी, कराची आई, तो obviously owners तो बदल गए थे मुल्तान के, लेकिन आपको लगता है कि जो management थे और players थे उनको पता था कि मुल्तान कैसे ऑपरेट करती है, and they were able to use that in this match?
Yeah, I think if you're talking about Khushdil Shah, he played for Multan Sultans. Haider Azhar, who was part of Multan Sultans, joined Karachi Kings. He brought him along. Abbas Afridi as well, and Khushdil scored a 50. That partnership that he had with James Vince, I think, laid the foundation, and James Vince went berserk because of that partnership. So definitely Khushdil knew, because उसने bowling भी अच्छी की थी. He was the only bowler who gave less than 10 runs per over. उसकी economy rate was decent enough on this pitch, especially was great. और जिस तरह से उसने बैटिंग भी की, आई थिंक जेम्स विंस ऑब्वियसली ओवरशैडो कर गया उसको, बट खुशदिल प्लेड अ ब्लाइंडर टुडे.
आई थिंक डेफिनेटली. अच्छा, अब बात करें, आई नो हो कि आपने कहा था कि यू वर टोटली ऑन मुल्तान साइड, क्योंकि आप हैं मुल्तान की. सॉरी टू ब्रेक इट टू यू, हमने जो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि मुल्तान हार जाएगी वो हार गई है. यू लिटिल बिट हार्ट ब्रोकन?
A little bit, but I'm just like, I moved out of Multan, so maybe I got over it.
Oh, so now you've changed your mind. So she's not a loyal fan. अब loyal fan नहीं है कि जब मुल्तान हार गया तो इनका दिल भी बदल गया. वाह, क्या बात है. What would you like to say about that?
Isn't that all of us?
I don't know. You're just not a loyal fan, I think. That's what it is. Okay.
Well, I still remember on the day 2023 का जो PSL था, final match Lahore versus Multan, she was like supporting Multan like anything. और what a match that was by the
Yeah.
way. Last ball तक गया था, मुल्तान was
Yeah.
chasing and I think
हाँ, बिल्कुल,
Lahore won
epic
by
final.
Yeah,
one
on the
run.
last ball,
Epic
yeah,
final,
yeah, that was.
And वो पूरी, because I'm from Lahore and she's from Multan, and पूरा इसका खानदान at one side, मैं अकेला at one
Glued
side.
to the screen.
Yeah.
और ये
What a
मुल्तान
banger.
में था, you
Oh
were in
yeah, I was
Multan.
in Multan at that
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Oh my
we
god,
were in Multan.
so how pissed off was your family at him जब match
we were so
लाहौर
hopeful
की तरफ चला गया
Multan's
था?
gonna win, but that last
Yeah.
Last
मुझे
one over I
last,
think
हाँ,
changed
one
everything.
over जमान खान की तरफ से। तो
that,
आपको
you know-
that changed
sorry.
everything.
तो आपने थोड़ा awkward नहीं फील किया कि oh my god इतने ज्यादा लोग मेरे सामने बैठे हुए हैं जो मेरे अगेंस्ट हैं इस वक्त मेरी टीम के अगेंस्ट है मैं इधर लोन you know I have to wasn't it a bit
I think
awkward?
I got very confident towards the end जब actually लाहौर बेहतर खेलने लग गया
हाँ।
था.
अच्छा
But
बताएं
yeah, sorry.
ना तो बताएं like अब थोड़ा सा हमें अपनी personal not well we didn't say too personal
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
you know आप लोग की शादी कब हुई थी how many years ago?
It's been 2 years.
Oh nice so
Yeah.
it's not it's you know kind of recent
Kind of recent, yeah.
और शादी के तीसरे महीने में ही पीएसएल का फाइनल आ गया था तो क्या इतनी जल्दी बस
इतनी
2023
जल्दी।
में शादी की तो
हाँ।
तभी पीएसएल का फाइनल तो
PSL का final
awkward
भी आ गया।
awkwardness उसी वक्त शुरू हो गई थी शादी के शुरू में
Multan Lahore rivalry
rivalry शुरू हो गई थी बिल्कुल शादी के बाद
जानते
maybe they knew that you know there's this couple जिसकी अभी शादी हुई है तो let's get to the final let's play against each other you know उनका मकसद पूरा हो गया that's quite funny actually I like
Yeah.
that story अच्छा let's talk about the mascots मुझे honestly मुझे mascots बहुत पसंद आता है कि यू नो जिस तरह पीएसएल में कुछ टीम्स के पास मैस्कॉट्स
Yeah.
हैं कुछ के पास नहीं है लेकिन मुझे वो इतने क्यूट लगते हैं मैंने एक्चुअली पीएसएल ड्राफ्ट में एक का इंटरव्यू भी किया था सो आई थिंक इट्स रियली क्यूट अच्छा आप मुझे थोड़ा सा बताएं कि आपको यू नो हमने स्क्रीन पे भी देखा था
Yeah.
कि द मैस्कॉट द कराची किंग्स
Yeah.
का जो लाइन है ही वाज गेटिंग मैड इन द
Yeah.
एंड कि जो विकेट गिरी थी इवन दो वी न्यू कि मोस्ट लाइकली
Yeah.
कराची विल विन सो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट
I think mascots are really, firstly they are really cute. अगर मुल्तान की बात करें, they have that साई.
साई with the big मूंछें
yeah,
उसकी,
yeah.
हाँ.
Islamabad have Sheru, Lahore have Bashira, as you know, and
Yeah,
then
Bashira.
Karachi's Lion. So basically,
Bashira the brand.
Yeah, Bashira the brand. Sorry.
Bashira the brand.
तो कराची और जो मुल्तान के, it was a battle of mascots as well, it was a battle of owners as well. तो यहाँ पर ना rivalry within rivalry भी थी, and the expressions of mascots, especially जब out होता है, that's so good to watch. यहाँ जब उनके match against जा रहा हो, especially when they're sad.
थोड़ा सा हाँ जब वो
हाँ,
sad होते हैं वो
बहुत-
और भी cute लगते हैं honestly they're just like this it's so adorable how do you guys feel about the mascots
I think they're super cute.
Right?
Yeah.
they're so cute I mean but I just wish I think काफी अरसे के लिए इस्लामाबाद का mascot नहीं था और फिर finally उनके
शेरू,
पास हाँ
yeah.
शेरू आया है so I don't know like I guess it's maybe just because इस्लामाबाद के पास इतना
Yeah.
culture नहीं है
Yeah.
बाकी शहरों
You from
से
Islamabad, you know better, na?
I mean, yeah, I shouldn't have said that. Maybe I shouldn't have dissed my own city. But it's okay. At least
Damn.
Islamabad is beautiful and clean. You know, I have
Yeah,
something to defend.
that's the only
Yeah.
thing they have.
Yeah.
But
Has
लाहौर
good
के पास
burgers.
खाना है और हाँ
हाँ,
उनके
हाँ,
burgers
burgers.
इस्लामाबाद के burgers
The burgers
बहुत
होते
अच्छे
थे।
होते थे
अब नहीं है।
I think we should stop living in the past क्योंकि बहुत अच्छे burgers
Yeah.
होते थे
Yeah.
लेकिन it's okay every city has its pros and cons लाहौर का खाना लेकिन इस्लामाबाद की
Yeah.
खूबसूरती तो you know you can keep driving back and forth
Back
between
and
the two
forth.
cities
Give and take.
you can keep driving back and forth between the two cities अच्छा अब बताएं कि ये कराची के लिए कितना important मैच था जीतना
Yeah.
हमने बात की है कि पिछले सीजन्स में उनकी परफॉर्मेंस बिल्कुल ही you know it was not good so how important was this for Karachi and for the PSL
Yeah.
कि एक टीम जो इतनी डाउन थी इतने अरसे से वो एकदम से उन्होंने इतना अच्छा स्टार्ट
Absolutely,
किया है
absolutely.
they've got their momentum going on such a good note तो कितना you know how important is that
Firstly, they couldn't have gotten off to a better start as they did. Secondly, it's the biggest city in Pakistan and it's the second most expensive franchise as
Bilkul,
well.
bilkul.
This by the way was the match between the most expensive and the second
Yeah,
most
yeah,
expensive
yeah, Multan
franchise.
Sultans
And then
and
the
yeah.
exchange the owners had over social media.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that was a
Yeah,
tussle
yeah.
between Salman Iqbal and Ali
हाँ,
Tareen.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
So
बिल्कुल.
that added a lot of fuel.
I think Ali
you know.
Tareen said कि you know
Yeah.
जीतो पाकिस्तान पे PSL की ट्रॉफी क्यों जा रही है and
Yeah.
obviously Salman Iqbal is the owner of ARY तो
So yeah, so bragging rights now. This
हाँ,
match
बिल्कुल.
actually had that. So जहाँ तक बात है franchises की, I think they were opposites. Multan Sultans played 4 consecutive finals. They obviously thought that they would win this match when the first 20 overs were bowled. लेकिन ये match, I think this would give Karachi a lot of confidence. It's a new look side. It's a new management, as you said, new captain, a lot of changes in the franchise. I hope they do well for the sake of the team at least,
for the sake
and
of
for
the
the sake
team.
of PSL too.
I think it would be great for them कि वो उनको
Yeah.
अपना confidence थोड़ा वापस मिले and you know they can basically do better. अच्छा let's talk a little bit about I think आप लोगों ने वो Netflix पे you know generally आप लोग cricket देखते हैं pretty
Yeah,
fond
I
of
do.
it?
Pak
Pretty fond-
versus India.
Oh, you're
for
talking about the
sure.
Netflix documentary जो निकली थी
Yes,
Pakistan में. So you
yes.
watched that?
I did,
You did
I
watch
did,
that?
yeah.
दोनों ने इकट्ठे देखी थी
Yeah.
कि
इकट्ठे देखी थी,
थी?
yeah.
Nice. So what were your thoughts about it?
So I felt like overall the documentary was really nice, you know, like it was very insightful, I'd say. But overall, I just felt like they wanted to portray Pakistan in the sense like the team is not united at all. You know, like there were differences between them and they were low-key, you know, like talking bad
वो
about
वैसे
one
उनका जो
another.
प्रोड्यूसर था वो इंडियन था.
Indian था.
हाँ,
So,
डॉक्यूमेंट्री
yeah.
का तो शायद
So it
maybe.
was probably scripted.
हाँ,
But on the
maybe.
contrary, they made sure the Indian team looked like
Heroes.
they're like brothers. They're like, you know,
हाँ,
like
उनकी
united.
unity
Yeah.
अभी
like,
भी उनकी by the way टीम में unity है, ऐसे ही है.
Yeah.
अच्छा अब थोड़ा सा अभी हम स्टैट्स देखेंगे स्क्रीन पे. कराची की पार्टनरशिप की बात करते हैं जब वो when they came out to chase. We're getting the stats on the screen और हम देखें इधर तो पहले तो टिम साइफर्ट आए. He scored 44 off of 20 deliveries. फिर जो टिम साइफर्ट और डेविड वार्नर की पार्टनरशिप सॉरी थी. टिम साइफर्ट डिड नॉट स्कोर 44 सॉरी. उनकी जो पार्टनरशिप थी डेविड वार्नर जो कैप्टन है उनके साथ 44 थी ऑफ 20 balls. pretty decent partnership. फिर हमारे पास आ गई साइफर्ट और विंस की जो पार्टनरशिप थी वो 8 की थी बिकॉज टिम साइफर्ट अनफॉर्चुनेटली गॉट आउट. अच्छा फरीद मुझे थोड़ा सा बताएं कि ऑब्वियसली हम इधर देख रहे हैं कि विंस और खुशदिल की जो पार्टनरशिप थी वो कितनी ज़रूरी थी. और T20 की अगर हम बात करें T20 की बात करें तो हर बॉल काउंट करता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे से एवरी बॉल इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट इन T20. सो लेट्स कंपेयर द जो खुशदिल शाह और विंस की पार्टनरशिप थी. लेट्स कंपेयर इट टू रिजवान और जो ब्रेसवेल की पार्टनरशिप थी उससे कंपेयर करें.
I think Khushtal and obviously Vince had a little more time and they were chasing the target, so they knew what they had to do firstly. Secondly, 142 of 71, that's basically 2 runs a ball and 142 in 12 overs. अगर आप उस तरह देखें इसको तो that's crazy. And especially when you are chasing the total. जब आप total chase कर रहे हैं ऐसी ground में जहाँ पर इतना बड़ा total chase नहीं हुआ. आज से पहले 209 was the highest chase here. I think that's an incredible job. और जो पहली partnership की आप बात कर रहे हैं that obviously laid the foundation. I thought क्योंकि इतना total होना नहीं था अगर वो partnership ना होती. But this partnership between Vince and Khushtal has to be the better one obviously.
Better one, yeah. I think हम expect नहीं कर रहे थे कि खुशदिल आके इस तरह score करेंगे इतने pressure में. You know, usually Pakistani batters collapse when there's so much pressure. अच्छा अभी हम चलते हैं break की तरफ. But when we come back हम बहुत ज़्यादा cricket की भी analysis करेंगे. But we're going to have a lot of fun talks as well. So do stay tuned. We'll be back shortly. And we are back on Free Hits by Valley Sports with me, your host Mehak Kokar, and we are in conversation with Fareed, Hassan and Raja here today. अच्छा फरीद थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं रिजवान के बारे में. ठीक है, अब obviously मुल्तान के लिए you know it wasn't the result जो वो चाहते थे, लेकिन generally अगर बात करें तो रिजवान के लिए ये सेंचुरी कितनी उनके कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए कि वो अपना कॉन्फिडेंस वापस रीगेन करें तो उन टर्म्स में ये सेंचुरी उनके लिए कितनी ज़रूरी थी?
I think it was really important for someone who just lost his T20 captaincy and he wants to make a comeback into the Pakistan T20 team. Secondly, the first 50 runs, obviously we have talked about it, came off 38 balls. Then he shifted gears. लेकिन जो 100 उन्होंने किया है eventually when you compare it to Vince's 100, obviously Vince के पास जो powers हैं जो जिस तरह वो गेम खेलते हैं it's very different to Rizwan's. But on a pitch you do not know if that is a good score until the second team has played. तो जब उन्होंने वो बारी ली है and when he finished that knock we all were thinking over here कि बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर दिया उन्होंने. For his own confidence obviously 100 से better कुछ नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन it could have come at a better strike rate.
opening match में.
Yeah, opening match में could have come at a better strike rate and he may have scored a lot more runs.
I think maybe if he was faster in that first half century.
In the first 6 overs, especially in the power play.
In the power play. अच्छा अब हम before we go on further and continue this conversation, मैं आप लोगों को बताती जाऊँ just a reminder about our meme contest जिससे आप semi-final और finals के tickets जीत सकते हैं इस HPL PSL के 10th edition में. Basically आप लोगों ने you know you have to be creative. इसमें you know it's something fun for you guys as well. हमारे fans के लिए भी it's something fun कि आप लोग basically be creative, मीम्स बहुत अच्छी बनाएं एंड बेसिकली हमें भेजें और फिर उसके बाद हमारी जो प्रोडक्शन की टीम है वो देखेंगे कि उनके पास कि कौन सी मीम्स यू नो सबसे अच्छा करती हैं, कौन सी सबसे वायरल जाती हैं, विच वंस आर मोस्ट लाइक बाय अदर ऑडियंसेस एंड फिर उसके मुताबिक वो जो विनर्स होंगे हम वो डिसाइड कौन है उनके विनर्स, और उसके मुताबिक आप लोग टिकट्स जीत सकते हैं ऑफ द सेमीफाइनल एंड फाइनल्स। एंड प्लीज़ मेक श्योर जब आप लोग हमें अपनी मीम्स भेजें कि आप लोग वली स्पोर्ट्स टीवी को टैग करें @वली स्पोर्ट्स टीवी। एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर कि आप लोग हमारा जो ऑफिशियल हैशटैग है #सीरियस मस्ती वो भी प्लीज़ आप डालिएगा। सो डोंट फॉरगेट, लेट मी रिपीट, @वली स्पोर्ट्स टीवी एंड #सीरियस मस्ती। आई थिंक दिस इज अ रियली एक्साइटिंग थिंग। तो if I was you, I would definitely be, getting my thinking hat on and getting creative. अच्छा फरीद, अब थोड़ा सा बताएं कि कंपेयर करते हैं विंस को रिजवान के साथ, ठीक है? थोड़ा टेक्निकल होते हैं कि पुल शॉट्स और हुक्स जो थे, कौन से प्लेयर्स ने ज़्यादा खेली?
I think when you talk about Rizwan, his game is a leg side game, and that's no secret. Bowlers try to be out of his arc, उसको off side पे ज़्यादा balls करते हैं, और इसीलिए ताकि वो जो ऑफ साइड की फील्ड है, क्योंकि उन्होंने वहाँ पर ज़्यादा फील्डर्स नहीं लिए होते, लेकिन रिजवान प्रीडोमिनेटली इज अ लेग साइड प्लेयर। ऑन द अदर हैंड विंस टुडे ही प्लेड ऑल अराउंड द ग्राउंड। जो आप हुक्स और पुल की बात करें स्पेशली, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर बॉलिंग शॉर्ट, देन short of the length pe aap you are more immune to play those pull and hook shots. And he played all across the park. It was not just the leg side. I think the way he played, it was just tremendous to watch. Whereas Rizwan, I still think he likes to take his swing, his bat swing basically to one side of it, which makes him a bit predictable and which makes the bowler actually
be able to predict
what his next shot is going to be. Yeah.
अच्छा, तो let's थोड़ा सा बताएं, आपको समझ आई है? आपको were you able to understand any of this? कोई समझ आई है आप दोनों को?
Yeah, I got
Did you get half of it? But
your favorite player was Rizwan just 2 hours ago.
अभी तो आपने कहा था Rizwan is my favorite.
2 hours ago.
He is my favorite player, but like I don't know the technical terms. Like I only know the layman terms.
अच्छा, I want to know whatever you understood, because you still heard what he said, कि बस ट्रांसलेट करके बता दें कि फरीद ने क्या बोला।
Explain.
नहीं पता।
कुछ भी बोलो।
I want to ask him what's like a leg side player, like.
Go on.
Where's my leg? It's towards this side, so this side is the leg side. Everything that is
you
towards
have to tell her when the batsman is
if the batter is a right-handed batter, then this side.
अच्छा फरीद, आपने नहीं बताना, अब आपको बस ट्रांसलेट करें कि आपको क्या लगता है लेग साइड क्या होगा?
मेरे से गुजरी आधी बातें।
जैसे खुद
I just gave you a
leg side.
Okay, yeah, when you're standing like sideways और अपनी leg वाली side से
you're supposed to stand sideways. You cannot bat.
Yeah, by the way, you can stand, standing like this.
I mean, like बिल्कुल sideways.
So if you play on your leg side, where will the ball go, left or right?
Leg side.
When the shot is hit, which side
If
is
you're
the leg
if you're a right-handed batter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll go in the opposite direction.
Which is the opposite
What's the
direction?
opposite?
Yeah, अगर right side से कर रहे हो तो left जाएगी ना?
अच्छा, then that's the right side.
Oh, so that's the
Oh,
right.
that's the leg side then.
Oh, that's the leg.
अच्छा, तो
Okay.
तो I think
Yeah.
she's catching up with her cricket.
Yeah, I'm catching up, guys.
कोई
Please
और
bear with
सवाल
me.
है उनके
Hook
लिए?
और pull shot का पूछे कौन
अच्छा,
सी
हाँ,
होती
pull
है?
shot का आपको क्या लगे? What's a pull shot and a hook? Hook भी बताएं. Pull shot and hook. What's a cover drive? अच्छा, I think वो बहुत सारी बातें ना उनके सर से ऊपर
Okay,
जाती हैं।
I'll tell you an easier question. Ask her एक over में कितनी balls होती
हाँ, that's the easier one.
This is, come on, this is like
ये तो बता।
एक ओवर, come on, अगर आपने
Yes, you
अगर आपने PSL का फाइनल देखा था
हाँ।
and मुल्तान आपकी फेवरेट टीम है
Balls नहीं
और
count
आपने
की।
फाइनल देखा था
I only have my eyes
2023
on the
का।
players.
अच्छा।
I don't know. I don't know about the overs, the balls and everything. I'm only living in the moment.
You do know the number of balls in an
अच्छा,
over.
मेरी बात सुनिए, ब्रेक कब आती है? ब्रेक कब आती है? How long does a break come? After जो थोड़ी सी आप you see the ads and stuff.
Yeah. That's literally happening after every 2 minutes.
हाँ, what
Like
happens
all
after
the
2
ads
minutes?
and
What
stuff.
happens? आपको क्या
नहीं, कुछ तो होता होगा ना?
हिंट दे रहे हैं।
तो वही ना, कुछ तो होता होगा
अच्छा,
ऐसा।
चलें, let's make it even easier.
Yeah.
एक बाउंड्री क्या होती है?
हाँ, that's easy. ये तो
Boundary
आता
तो
होगा।
guys like जो आपके पूरा स्टेडियम है जहाँ पर आप खेल सकते हो.
हाँ, लेकिन
Like,
what's the difference between a boundary and a six? Hitting a sixer and then a boundary.
sixer is outside the boundary.
Good.
Okay.
Well
Okay.
done.
I mean, of course, I know that.
Then what's the other
And like
one?
the
Good
one that
job.
hits
Ah.
the boundary is like a chalk up.
Oh.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Or the
good.
bounce,
Yeah.
that's a 4.
Yeah.
What
And
about when
four,
somebody
yeah.
gets bowled out? Somebody
Yeah.
gets bowled. लेकिन किस तरह?
What's the mode of dismissal? किस तरह out होता है?
किस तरह होता है?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
No?
LBW. वो थोड़ा I think
Your
LBW
eyes are
थोड़ा
different.
बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Oh, guys,
LBW,
like
no.
I said, I don't know the technical terms used for this, but all I know is वो out होते हैं.
Wait, actually, after this show आप थोड़ा सा तो सीख लेंगी. ना?
हाँ,
Of course,
definitely.
of course, I'm learning.
अच्छा, आप बताएं, आपको तो obviously पता है. तो LBW का तो आपको पता है. Why don't you explain it to her? What an LBW is?
Yeah, it's simple. So basically, when you're in this posture, which I just tell you, that's a batting posture,
Yeah.
and when the ball lands,
Yeah.
and it's going in the direction of the wicket,
Yeah.
जिनकी वो बात करी थी, वो bowled out was the,
Yeah.
अगर wicket को लगती है ball,
लग
तो
जाए.
you're bowled.
Okay.
So, and if the ball touches your leg,
Yeah.
but not the bat,
But not
just
the
the leg,
Yeah.
and but it was
In line
that
with the
leg got
wicket,
in the
yeah.
way of the wicket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
So
you're
that's a leg before wicket. That's an out.
yeah.
ठीक है ना?
यार ये आपको साइंटिस्ट होना
हाँ,
चाहिए था
yeah.
आप listen I think you're in the wrong profession क्रिकेट के ना आप वो नहीं होते जो वो जो
हाँ.
analytical लोग होते हैं working behind
Or
the
maybe you can
scenes.
take
You know,
part in
that's
the,
how
Yeah,
every
you can make
husband
so much-
explains his wife.
Yeah,
But
so
That's
much
how
patience.
specific you have to be.
अच्छा DRS
yeah, abbreviation किसकी है?
Duckworth,
DRS
नहीं?
what does it
Duckworth
stand
Lewis नहीं है,
for
नहीं नहीं नहीं. What does
DRS?
DRS stand for?
come on DRS come on
I think I know this, but
Yeah, decision is the first
decision
one.
उसके बाद फिर क्या आता है what's RNS decision
the referred.
ना
No.
Remaining.
Yeah,
क्या होता है
yeah,
कि जब आप एक
बिल्कुल.
वो you know
Remaining?
जब
Yeah, she's right.
Decision remaining.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Yeah, yeah. No?
Remaining.
he's messing
No,
around
no, no. She was giving me a hint. Let me
अच्छा
give
मैं
us.
एक hint देती हूँ जब basically team let's say एक team out हो जाती है and they're like नहीं यार ये out नहीं था
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. You refer the decision. ठीक है.
नहीं,
सही.
But there's another word for it.
वर्ड
basically.
क्या है उसका वो क्या करते हैं कि वो जो कहते हैं हम ये आउट नहीं मानेंगे तो फिर वो आगे से क्या करते हैं
वो ऐसे करते हैं ना. वो क्या होता
हाँ what's this sign guys what's the sign
It's
review
oh review.
Review?
man.
Oh,
Yeah,
review,
it's-
review.
है? And what's S?
S come on
But
fine.
you
S
could
is
call it as
decision.
referring the decision as well.
Yeah,
लेकिन
it
वो
is,
that's not
but
the term
that's
they
yeah,
use.
that's not a term.
But what's DRS से क्या
हाँ
Yeah,
DRS
decision review
decision
system.
review
Review
system.
system
Yeah.
okay
Oh,
okay
okay.
okay
So this
fine.
was a tough one.
Yeah,
अच्छा मुझे
this-
बताएं have you ever been to a stadium to watch a match
I haven't. He's been to a stadium, but I haven't.
I mean हाँ ये इनके पास तो क्रिकेट नॉलेज है तो आप इनको
Yeah.
लेके क्यों नहीं जाते
अभी 2 साल हुए हैं शादी को ले जाएंगे.
आप देखें
2 साल में
पाकिस्तान
मुल्तान के
this
2
year
फाइनल
पाकिस्तान में इतने साल बाद इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट्स हुए हैं
वापस आए।
खानदान में बैठ के फाइनल एक साथ देख लिए लेकिन आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट्स आए हैं
हाँ।
पाकिस्तान में इतने
Man,
साल
but
बाद एशिया का
did we get a
ICC
chance?
championship।
Pakistan
नहीं
का
अभी
तो
आप
match
अभी
ही
ले जाओ
Unfortunately,
मुल्तान
पाकिस्तान
के
तो
अच्छे
पहले ही
साल
बाहर
चल
हो
रहे
गया था,
हैं
लेकिन-
इससे पहले वो पूरा करना शुरू हो
By
जाए
the way,
मुल्तान
I think
वाला।
PSL is the perfect time
हाँ।
because जो atmosphere होता है PSL में it's electric, it's amazing,
Yeah.
and you enjoy it so much क्योंकि you know it's just such a good positive vibe. Honestly speaking, अगर मैं किसी मैच पे जाना चाहती पहली दफा तो मैं PSL के लाइव मैच पे जाती because honestly it's so much fun. I can't explain.
And that too in Gaddafi
We might
would be
just
Yeah.
go to
great.
Lahore
Gaddafi
versus
would be
Multan
amazing.
match.
You
Yeah.
should.
Yeah.
I think this is perfect. This is what we need.
We're going.
वो टीवी स्क्रीन पे देख लिया फैमिली के साथ ना
Yeah.
go and watch it live. लड़ाइयाँ उधर
Let's
करनी
all
होगी
go.
तो you can. You know, but oh my god, like well, you know, I mean, but yeah. But honestly,
Then
I
you'll be
think
spending 3 hours explaining her everything.
explaining हाँ हर चीज explain करेंगे.
Yeah.
लेकिन honestly, I think going and watching that in Gaddafi Stadium उससे
Yeah.
बेहतर कोई जगह हो ही नहीं सकती.
That's true.
Especially because the stadium's also got
Yeah, the
renovated.
revamp.
Yeah.
इससे बेहतर
I
तो
want to see that renovated.
Yeah,
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 it's
yeah.
amazing. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
The view is amazing.
I agree. Acha, I just want to see. I feel like there must be something that you'll be able to guess.
Okay.
Cricket के terms में.
Okay.
और क्या आपसे पूछ सकते हैं? Okay. What about Miss Field?
What is a misfield?
Miss Field.
Yeah.
Someone who hasn't
Miss Field.
Misfield.
Fielding क्या होती है?
feelings, of course, like someone who's in the field and you know, like
And then have what's a
Yeah.
Miss Field?
who's not fielding right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Hmm.
can say
Yeah.
that.
Technically, okay, that's
Chale,
fine.
1 point to you.
Yeah.
We'll give you a
That's
point for that.
Can you
Acha.
give an example? अच्छा no.
वो
That's
थोड़ा सा extreme हो गया.
Sorry,
वो
too
थोड़ा
tough.
extreme हो गया. अच्छा, what's a wicket keeper कौन सा होता है? वो किधर खड़ा होता है?
Wicket
Rizwan,
keeper.
your favorite player,
Yeah.
is a wicket
Yeah, have you
keeper.
seen him
तो किधर
standing?
खड़ा
खड़ा
होता है?
होता है ना.
हाँ. True.
Amazing, देखा
Yeah.
है?
Two.
Yeah.
She's getting better.
She's got 2
Yeah.
right.
Listen, I told
2
you, I
साल
know
में
the
इतना सीख
technical
लिया तो I think
terms.
आगे भी आप बहुत कुछ सीख
I have-
सकती
I have a
हैं. I
long
think there's
way
a
to
lot
go.
of hope. There's a
Yeah.
lot of hope. Okay, what about dropped catch? I think the
I
term
mean,
says
exactly, it's so obvious.
The
Like
term
when
that
you
was
feel
not even a
it,
question.
You
The term-
catch it and then you drop
Sorry.
it.
it all. The term says it all.
Yeah.
Acha, I think
Same questions for me as well.
same questions for you.
Yeah.
Then I think we'll be sitting here just gaining a lot of knowledge. I feel like आप Einstein हैं. You're Einstein of cricket. Acha, and by the way, you post some really amazing things on
Thank you.
X, guys. You should definitely check his account out on X. His name is Fareed on it. He's got a lot of
Thank you.
followers and a lot of good information. अच्छा अब हम चलते हैं points table की तरफ.
Yeah.
PSL में PSL के 10th edition का points table हमारे सामने आ गया है. 4 teams have No, sorry, all the teams have played their matches.
Yeah.
अब सारी teams ने खेल लिया और सबसे ऊपर है Quetta Gladiators, obviously because they won by the biggest margin against they won against Islamabad United.
No, they went Peshawar.
Peshawar, my bad.
Peshawar.
My bad. Quetta Gladiators won
Yeah.
against Peshawar Zalmi. Obviously, बहुत ही disappointing start
Yeah,
थी Zalmis की
yeah.
तरफ से. लेकिन Quetta Gladiators were amazing, and that's why they sit at the top of the table. Or top three teams all have 2 points, obviously,
Yeah.
because when you win a match, you get 2 points. लेकिन net run rate पे base करके Islamabad United is at number 2 and Karachi Kings stands at number 3. अच्छा, points table की बात करें तो फरीद मुझे थोड़ा सा बताएं. ऑब्वियसली सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग मैच तो अभी हुआ था, लेकिन जो पहला मैच था इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड का लाहौर कलंदर्स के खिलाफ, लाइक आई मीन हाउ बैड वर लाहौर कलंदर्स? आप ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि वो इस तरह क्रैश आउट करेंगे पहले मैच में?
I think really bad, even by the standards that they had set prior to winning the two tournaments.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, so obviously when you are playing the first match, they were missing a few players as well, and the combination you not exactly sure which players to play first match में especially.
बिल्कुल.
But वही बात आ जाती है, they had a
उनकी
tag.
बैटिंग लाइनअप बहुत स्ट्रांग थी.
हाँ बिल्कुल थी. Fakhar did not perform, and when Fakhar does not perform,
But
फिर
then
वो
that's a
team,
problem
yeah,
कि वो लोग अपना
team
they
depends too
rely
much.
completely on Fakhar,
Yeah,
especially
yeah.
वो इंजरी से वापस
Yeah,
आ रहे हैं.
yeah, yeah.
So
And then they miss Rashid Khan as well, because the two tournament finals
Rashid
that they
Khan की
won,
वजह से.
and even the two editions that they won, Rashid played a big part in it.
Rashid,
Now
yeah,
he's not
Rashid
here.
has been a huge
Yeah.
part. अच्छा, you must be quite disappointed कि पहला मैच आपकी टीम लाहौर हार गई थी. Good news for you, Raja. Good news for you. Lahore lost their first match. अच्छा, by the way, guys, हमारे पास memes आना शुरू हो गई हैं, so let's go check them out. ये मेरा favorite part है because I love memes.
Yeah.
I love
We
memes.
all
I think,
do.
yeah, I think everybody loves
Yeah.
memes. Shadab Khan got more wickets in his first PSL match than he did in the last 2 World Cups for Pakistan. Guys, that is very true. Very sad, but very true
Very
indeed. Shadab got 4 wickets in the first match, but unfortunately, उनकी जो international, performance रही है has been very bad. तो थोड़ा सा, I mean, I think that was a pretty funny meme.
Yeah.
अच्छा, reality तो यही है. I mean,
Yeah.
it was very funny जिस तरह उन्होंने ये point out की है, उधर public में लगा दिए कि these are the facts. लेकिन बताएं कि overall शादाब की confidence, अब confidence की बात कर सकते हैं कि उनकी confidence as a captain in this
Yeah.
PSL और generally उनके confidence के लिए कितना अच्छा था.
I think जिस तरह पाकिस्तान टीम की परफॉर्मेंस है, हम सब प्लेयर्स के कॉन्फिडेंस की बात ही करेंगे,
अब
because all of
PSL
them
बस
need to,
उनको just to get their confidence
all
back
of them need to
बना रहे
regain
हैं.
their confidence जो उनकी performance रही है. But talking about Shadab, he has recently been appointed the vice captain of the Pakistan T20 team. He's the captain of Islamabad United, and generally he does well for Islamabad. That is
हाँ,
how
he
he got
does.
into
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Pakistan team as well.
They're the only team, वाहिद team
to
जिन्होंने
win
सबसे
three
ज़्यादा
three
PSLs
titles,
जीते हैं.
and he won the title last year as well, so the
बिल्कुल.
defending champion.
बिल्कुल.
And I believe he will do well in Islamabad, because overall the team is good. The mentors and the coaches, they give a lot of confidence to the players. They play a very different brand of cricket as compared to when they come and play in the Pakistan team, because that's a different
बिल्कुल,
team
obviously it's a
altogether.
different format altogether.
yeah.
अच्छा, बात करें बाबर आजम की, obviously उन्होंने तो
Yeah.
अपना confidence, I don't think उनको अपना confidence
obviously.
regain करने में कोई interest है. कोई interest है.
नहीं, the thing with Babar is वो score करता है तभी criticize होता है, नहीं करता तो ज़्यादा होता है. Social media is everything. You're basically looking at Babar's runs, his strike rate, even how he walks, what he eats. सब उस पे इतनी scrutiny हो रही होती है.
हाँ, I think वो
Yeah.
कह रहे थे पेशावर, by the way, पेशावर ज़ल्मी के ऊपर काफी criticism कल हो रही थी
हाँ.
कि oh my god, ये लोग इतना ज्यादा खा रहे हैं, मैच में क्या खेलेंगे, ये इतना ज्यादा क्यों खा रहे हैं? Like people are just
क्या खा
like
रहे
hawks, you know,
Team
they
bonding
or
session
they
था
have
वो वैसे उसमें,
team
हाँ.
bonding के dinners वगैरह होते हैं, but they have their
Not
eyes
that they had
on
the
him
toss
like
2
hawks.
minutes after the lunch
हाँ,
dinner.
बिल्कुल. You know, thank you so much, Fareed, Hassan, and Raja for joining us. We had a great time with you, great laughs, and आपकी cricket की knowledge भी maybe काफी इजाफा आ गया. So well done. I'm sure when you go home, you'll still be teaching her a lot about cricket. You know, moving forward. But so do come back tomorrow. You can catch us every day at 6:40 p.m. Live. We come here live before the matches, and make sure you also catch us at Valley Sports TV. I also want to thank the sponsors जो हमारे साथ इस show में मौजूद हैं. They are sponsoring us, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for sponsoring us. उसके अलावा Valley Sports TV को do check us out, and of course the wardrobe that I'm wearing is Zeitgeist. आपकी local दुकान है, आप उधर जाके you can go and check out their outfits. They have some really cool stuff. लेकिन इसके अलावा that's all we have for you today. We will catch you tomorrow at 6:40 p.m. It's goodbye from me. Until then.